Hello everybody, good morning. This is Doug here and I'm coming to you again from Azerbaijan, this time in the north of the country in a town or a small city called Sheki. Sheki is one of the most historically important cities in Azerbaijan. It was actually a stop along the Silk Road, so very important for many hundreds of years. And now we're here to explore it and see what it's like today. So I'm excited to check it out. Here we go. Okay, where are you guys from? You're from Azerbaijan, yeah?
From Ismayilli.
Which city?
Yevlak.
Yevlak.
My name is Javid.
Javid.
Yes.
My name is Douglas. So, çok sağ ol. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So guys, we just had lunch here in Şeki. It was very good. Lots of good food here in Azerbaijan. It was Thanksgiving yesterday and it felt almost similar to being back in the US because we've just been having very nice big family style feasts. We're continuing on through Şeki now. I'm really enjoying this town. It feels kind of quaint, old. It's kind of a mid-sized city, so not too big, not too overwhelming, but it's very pretty, surrounded by mountains. Lots of old Soviet Lada cars around. Let's see what else we get up to. We've got a lot more to see. Hello there everyone, it is the next day now and we've moved on a bit. We're now very close to Ismayilli. We spent the last night there, but right now we are in the village of Lahij. I actually came here last year and you can watch my full video on this area of Azerbaijan on my channel. I'll put it at the top of the screen. But we're here again and this time I have my drone, so I've gotten to fly it a little bit. And this village is absolutely beautiful. It's all stone streets and stone houses and lots of handicrafts being made and metalworking and sheep like cloaks and hats and all sorts of things. Nice place. One of my favorite spots that I've been to in Azerbaijan. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's very nice.
Ben yapmışım. Bakın beyazı ve bunun üstüne mistik gümüş suyu çekmişim.
I can get one for every finger. Yeah. What's your name?
Kurban.
Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you? Сколько лет? Сколько тебе лет?
10.
10. Very good. I'm from Egypt. What do you think?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah?
Yes, like engagement.
Engagement ring, yeah. Now you just need to find someone to give it to you.
Matte silver.
Ah,
You can fold it.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
It's very nice, guys. Take a look.
Good salesman.
I'm not really a ring guy, but these are really nice, and they have a lot of other nice things here too. Alright guys, we are back in another spot that I visited last year with the first Show Me Azerbaijan trip. This is the giant bridge spanning over this canal. I just climbed up this rock behind me for a pretty cool view, but I think it's about time to head back across. So let's go. All right, here we go. Onto the bridge. It's very bouncy. And last time I was here, it was summer, so it was very green. Now it's kind of this austere gray color, but I kind of like the vibe. Got the gray and white rushing water and the kind of brownish gray mountains. It's very nice. By the way, I'm wearing this American flag because we all have our country's flags. We've got Egypt, we've got Kazakhstan, and I think we're going to take a drone video. Oh, okay, I need to go back this way. And we're gonna get a nice drone video of us all holding our flags on the bridge. It'll be cool. Guys, I'm here with Saif from Iraq.
Hello,
Shakamaku.
how are you?
Very good.
Good.
Probably some Iraqis will be watching this
really?
this video.
العراقيين حبايبي شلونكم؟ إن شاء الله تكونوا بخير. إحنا هنا بأذربيجان أنا وصديقكم Dog. Okay. He's a very good guy,
Oh,
and
thanks.
he's coming to Iraq again. And we're gonna meet in Baghdad.
Absolutely.
Okay? And we're gonna eat lots of good food.
Absolutely. Guaranteed. All right, we're almost off this bridge. Just a little bit more, almost safe. Okay, excuse me, sorry. Hello. How are you? And we made it back. Alrighty guys, and skipping ahead a little bit, we are now at the airport in Baku, which means unfortunately the trip has come to an end. It was an amazing week. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this second look at Azerbaijan, and if you haven't seen the videos from my first series from Azerbaijan from last year, go ahead and check those out. They're all part of the same playlist on my channel here on YouTube. I am flying to Istanbul, Turkey in just a couple hours. I'm here at the main airport in Baku, and it's actually really, really nice. I love this design that they have up here. They're calling them the cocoons, and it's like this cozy little area with books and a library and cafes and really comfy seating. It almost feels like a lounge, but this is available to everyone here in the airport. Anyway, that is going to sum up this series from Azerbaijan. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos as well. I've got a lot more coming soon from around the world. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.